Can you sue for a hit and run accident in Michigan, especially when the vehicle that hit you didn't have insurance? The short answer is you can always sue the at-fault vehicle and the driver, regardless of whether they have insurance or not. The problem is generally trying to get any type of award or amount of money from a vehicle that doesn't have any insurance is very difficult. A lot of people don't have a lot of money off of hand. If you sue them, they can file for bankruptcy, they can dodge collection. There's a host of things that they can do to avoid having to pay you. And so for that reason, generally speaking, an uninsured hit-and-run motorist generally is judgment-proof in a lot of ways, and it doesn't make a lot of sense to sue them personally. However, a lot of policies in Michigan have what's called underinsurance. Now, this is a type of insurance that you elect for yourself, and it's underinsurance and then also uninsurance. And if the vehicle that hits you does not have insurance, then your own insurance policy will pay the bodily liability for that person who did hit you. For example, if you get hit by a hit-and-run driver or someone who doesn't have insurance, and then it turns out that you can't do anything to them for that reason, but you did elect to buy this coverage, and you covered yourself for $50,000, $100,000, or $200,000. Those would be the new limits of your bodily liability claim that you could receive from your own insurance company. Now, this type of insurance is critical in Michigan. There are tons of drivers who don't have insurance. The reason being insurance is out of control expensive. And so lots of people don't elect to have insurance, and they obviously cause accidents sometimes, and then it can leave you without compensation after being severely injured in an automobile accident. So when you're signing up for your insurance, make sure that on your declarations page, you've paid for under and uninsurance, as this will give you better protection in the instance that the driver that hit you was uninsured or doesn't have much insurance. So this is vitally important to do when you sign up for your insurance, when you pay for insurance, and also something to do, if you're interested, to go home and look at your policy, see what it says, and then attempt to maybe change that if you don't have it. But so the short of it is you can sue anybody in Michigan. However, it really doesn't make sense to sue an uninsured driver if they don't have any assets, which most of them do not. And so what you'd like to do is probably see if you have that under or uninsurance, which would allow you to bring a claim through your own insurance company and be compensated for your injuries after that type of accident.